Marcus is planning an 18-mile bike ride. He rides 12 miles and takes a break at a park. He uses the model shown to represent how much of the route he has completed. All right, so he's completed 12 miles. The whole thing is 18 miles, and it's interesting. They've at least visually broken this down into thirds of that 18 mile, which would be 6 miles each. I guess each of these little sections is a mile. And so let's read what they're asking us. Which two equations can be used to determine the fraction of the route Marcus has ridden? Choose two answers. So pause this video, have a go at that before we do it together. Okay, so if I want to know the fraction of a route, I would say how far have I gone divided by the total amount that I need to go. So we know he's gone 12 miles and he needs to go 18, so he's gone 12, and I would divide that by how far he needs to go. And 12 divided by 18, there's a bunch of ways that you could think about what that is. That's the same thing as 12 over 18, which is indeed 2/3. And you can see from this right over here that he is 2/3 of the way. This is 1/3, that's 6, and then another 6 is 2/3. So I definitely like this choice. B, this is how far I need to go divided by 12, and that isn't 2/3. This is going to be over 1. 18 divided by 12 is more than 1, so I definitely don't like this. This is just mathematically incorrect. 2/3 times 12 is 18. Well, that's not going to be right. 2/3 of 12 is less than 12, not greater than 12. So by process of elimination, we can assume that D is going to be right, but let's see if this makes sense. 2/3 times 18 is equal to 12. Yeah, and so that's the fraction that we've gone times the total should be how far we've gone. And we can see that right over here. 2/3 of 18, this whole thing is 18. We divided it into thirds, and then if we take 2 of those thirds, that is exactly 12 miles. So I definitely like choices A and D.